101 cards were shared among some boys and girls. There were 4 more boys than girls. Each boy received 5 cards and each girl received 4 cards. How many boys are there? Okay. Previously, I have told you that whenever there is a quantity difference, more than, okay, you must always draw a model. So 4 more boys than girls. These you have to draw a model. Do that now, immediately. 4 more boys than girls. Okay. Now, in a typical question like this, like a comparison model, you must always take out the extra 4 boys, correct? So I must remove the 4 boys. But remove the 4 boys from where? There's no total number of children here, so we cannot really remove the 4 boys. But I can remove the cards that these 4 boys. Okay, remember this 4. Remember I told you whenever there's a comparison model, you must always take out the extra. So this is the 4 boys that need to be removed. But if you look at the question, there isn't a total number of children, so you can't really remove the 4 boys from a total number of children. So you can't do that removal of number of 4 boys. But you can remove the cards relating to the 4 boys. Because I know that there's a total 101 cards. So I'm going to remove the cards that is given to these 4 boys. Each boy is getting 5 cards. Correct? You see? Each boy receives 5 cards. So there are 4 extra boys here. I'm going to remove their cards. So these 4 boys has a total of 20 cards. 5 times 4. I'm going to remove this extra 20 cards. From where? From this 101. Okay. So why do we always do that? When we do that, what happens is that 81 is not. So the common mistake people make is, 81, then I should divide by 2, right? No. These 2 are the number of boys and girls. It's not the number of cards. It's the number of boys and girls. So the number of boys and girls over here, the number of the girls, the boys, the cards that the boys have here and the girls and the cards that the girls have here is not equal. But the number of boys and girls are equal, right? So I cannot do 81 divided by 2 because, as I said again, the number of cards the boys have it here is not equal to the number of cards the girls have it here. So I cannot do 81 divided by 2. But I do know the number of boys and girls are equal. Okay? All the cards of the boys here plus all the cards of the girls here equal to 181. Now I know the number of boys and girls are equal, right? The remaining boys and girls are equal. One boy is going to receive 5 cards here, and one girl is going to receive 4 cards. So the number, the boys and girls is going to be organized this way. One boy, one girl, another group, one boy, one girl, one boy, one girl. All together, their cards will add up to 81. Okay? A pair of boy and girl will get 5 cards, 4 cards. Another pair of boys and girls get 5 cards, 4 cards, and all together, their total number of cards is 81. Okay? Any question? Radar is not 9. Any question? So there are 81 cards altogether remaining. And we know that in one group there are 5 plus 4. 9 cards. If I use 81 divided by 9, I get 9. What does 9 represent? What does 9 represent?
The 9 represents the number of groups.
Or there are 9 boys here and there are 9 girls here.
Or the
there are 9 number of groups, you're right. Which also means that there are 9 boys here and 9 girls here. Because there must be 9 pairs of boys and girls.
Okay.
Okay? Now, how many boys are there? 9 plus 4. Okay? 9 plus 4.
Teacher.
13. If you do 9, then it's the number of girls. A lot of people get 9, but that is the number of girls.
Teacher.
Just asking for boys. Yeah?
Actually, I put 9 because I thought that the question was asking the number of girls. But I looked wrongly. It's the number of boys.
So these are the common mistakes children make, not just you. You just have to be aware of the mistake you make, and then in the coming exam, if this question come out, don't make the same mistakes again, okay? The
Okay.
few things that you need to take away is that more than always draw model, all right? So let's do question number 4. Okay, so 12 more must draw model, more than. So $1 is 12 coins more than 50 cents. So remember, this is a quantity, it's not a value. Like just now the question, the quantity is number of boys and girls, right? It's not the value. Value is the cards. Okay, be careful, So again, I must take out the 12 $1 coins. And the value of these 12 $1 coins will be just simply 12 times $1. Okay, so $12. Take it out from the total value of coins, which is $39. Remove it. So $27 is the remaining value of the value of the remaining coins. So the value of remaining coins is here. This portion, the value of this $1 plus the value of all these 50 cents add up to $27. And the remaining coins are equal. So I can group them into 1 coins per group because they're equal. So in one group is 150, right? $1 plus 50 cents. And all these groups add up to $27. Make sense? Any question? So this is the idea, this is a concept. Now I know that they are all all the groups add up to $27, and one group has a value of $1 plus 50 cents. So if I use 27 divided by 150, I get 18 groups. 18 groups mean there are 18 coins here, and there are 18 coins here. Okay? Question is how many $1 coins? So it's 18 plus 12. Okay, you don't want to do 18 times 1 plus 12 is fine. It's 18 plus 12. Okay? 30.